Hi, my name is Jayden Jech, and I am the Coastal Restoration Program Assistant with the Nature Conservancy in Rhode Island. So I grew up in a small town in Minnesota and made my way to Florida to go to school. I went to Eckerd College where I pursued my bachelor's in biology and environmental studies. And recently I've been working a couple seasonal positions in the New England area and made my way here to Rhode Island. Yeah, this season I'm helping conduct coastal and marine biological monitoring in the Narragansett Bay area, the Narrow River area, and the Providence River. And we've been doing a bunch of field work related to fish plots, beach seining, and a lot more.
And Hayden, other side, Tim.
Part of working with the Nature Conservancy here in Rhode Island has been learning a whole new ecosystem, learning the different fish species and other species that are in the Narragansett Bay area. It's also been great to work alongside the Nature Conservancy to learn more about conservation and professional development opportunities.